Hi guys, welcome to Arivinfo channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Java series part 22. Now let's discuss the user input. So the scanner class is the inbuilt class. That class is used to get user input, and this scanner class is found in the java.utility package. Okay, first we have to create the object for scanner class. Why? Because with the help of the object of this class only we can access the methods from the scanner class. That's why we have to create the object for the scanner class. Okay, and the system.in parameter is used to take the input from the standard input, like what? The keyboard. Okay, so if we want to give the input at runtime, we can use the scanner class object. Inside the scanner class, we have so many inbuilt methods available. So those methods are next to boolean, next to byte, next to double, next to float, next to integer, next to line, next to long, next to short. So next to boolean, this method is used to read a boolean value from the user. Next to byte, reads a byte value from the user. Next to double, reads a double value from the user. Next to float, reads a float value from the user. Likewise, next to int, reads an int value from the user. Next to line, reads a string value from the user. Next to long, reads a long value from the user. Next to short, reads a short value from the user. According to our requirement, we can use any one of these inbuilt methods. Okay, and if we enter the wrong input, like a text for the numerical input, means we will get an exception or error message like input mismatch exception. Okay, so if you use the next to boolean, means we have to give the boolean value only. Okay, if we give the string value for boolean, means we will get the input mismatch exception only. Let's see the example program. In this example, we have to import the utility package, because inside the utility package only we have the scanner class. With the help of this scanner class only, we can give the input during the execution of the program. Okay, first we have to import this statement. Okay, and this is the main method. Here I have created an object. Already we have discussed. If we want to access the methods from this inbuilt class, means first we have to create the object for that class. Using this object only we can call the methods which are present inside the scanner class. So I have to create the object for this scanner class. Okay, new. We know already. New keyword is used to create the memory for this object at runtime. Okay, and this is the name of the class and this is the input parameter. So this parameter is used to read the data from the standard input like keyboard. Okay, and this is the output statement. Enter username and string username. This is the name of the variable. Here I have used what? The name of the object. Which one? This is the object of the scanner class. Inside this class only we have this method. Okay, now I want to give the string for this username variable because its data type is string. That's why we have used this next line inbuilt method. So if I want to use this method, means I have to use the object. Okay, with the help of this object only I can call the method from this scanner class. I hope you all understand. My object is the name of the object of the scanner class, and the next line is the inbuilt method which is present inside the scanner class. Now I want to call that method from scanner class, means we have to use the object for the scanner class. That's why I have written this statement. Okay, that string value will be stored inside the username. But if I give the integer or byte or boolean value to this, means what happens? We will get the input mismatch. Okay, and then this is the second one, output statement, and this is the inbuilt method. This is present inside this class. Okay, how can I call? With the help of the scanner class object only I can call. That's why I have written my object dot nextIn. It is used to read the integer data from the user during the execution of the program. If I give the string here, means what happens? We will the mismatch only, error. Okay, and here this is the statement, output statement. Username is printed our console and the user name will be printed. Likewise, user ID is the string and this user ID will be printed. Okay, after the operations are finished, we have to close the scanner class object like this. So this is the inbuilt method. This method is also inside this scanner class. With the help of this object, we can call that method. Okay, that's why I have written like this. So what is the usage of this close method? This method is used to close the scanner object. Okay. Now let me execute this one. So enter username. This is the output statement. Now I give Raja and user ID 100. Okay. Here these two values are printed. So if we want to give the inputs at runtime, means we can use the scanner class. First we have to create the object, and with the help of that object only we can call the methods from the scanner class. Okay, we have so many inbuilt methods inside the scanner class. According to our requirement, we can choose any one of the methods from the scanner class. I hope you all understand. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.